Good morning, everybody. This is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna be hanging out with Angie and her family friend that came from Korea. She's visiting LA for the first time, so you know we're gonna be doing the LA touristy things. Going to the Getty Museum, going to UCLA. I'm vlogging with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera today, so we'll see how good this camera is in the outside world. I've only vlogged with it in my house. Oh, and also later today, I'm gonna be going to my friend Andy and Dai's house, and we're gonna have a cat play date. So I'm very excited for that. Haku is such a mess. So I'm hoping that their cat Joji will like tire him out. Free sample strawberry. Strawberry. Oh my god. 이거 먹어봤어? 그 마늘향의 스트로베리
딸기 살짝
진짜 달아.
맛있게 재밌대?
Water.
3분의 1이야.
Blueberry.
작은 게 6불인데
Blueberries are so good. Are you guys a mixture or you just eat it? Angie's a mixture, as you can tell. And she's forcing me to mix mine too. Julian's first time eating guacamole. Oh yeah. We got guac in here and here. Are you bougie? 그냥 닭가슴살? 맛? 신기해? 1부터 10 rate. 8? Oh, good. In and out. 당뇨가 좋아? 입맛부터. 약간 밥이라서. 아, 밥이라서 good thing we came here. Everybody, we have made it to UCLA. Woo. There's so many people. We're like trespassing.
Show them the stairs. So many people.
Wow. They're tired. UCLA is so beautiful. We just missed it. No.
I don't want to leave.
We can yell! There's nobody in here. There's nobody. Taking photos of me. The cloud be clouding, everybody. So beautiful. It's so pretty. You're like so heavenly right now. Like right here?
Wow.
I'm like an angel, huh?
Yes, with your skirt too. An angel. That's me. 무서워.
guys should come to Getty during this time. Beautiful. Like, guys,
Look at the sunlight.
look at Angie. She's glowing. Oh, are you Jenny? Jenny she? Hello everybody. I got picked up by Winston. And we have Haku in the back. Hi Haku. Do you see him? Hi Haku. Haku meets Joji. Joji. No, he's like twice. Yeah, he's sweet. You're kissing. Hey. Haku, come out. Hey. Oh, hi Haku.
Oh, Zoom.
I don't think so.
Haku. Go get up, Joji. Go.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, you're so cute.
Aww, Joji. Was it worse with the other cat? Or is this worse? Our food has arrived.
I opened.
Oh yeah, dump it and then get it. Faster.
This is how Andy films everybody. Oh my god, it's so new! Haku! Joji!
Wait, so there's cat videos out there?
Hey.
Oh, now you're talking to the camera.
Do you ever get so conscious about filming in public, or are you doing that now?
Oh my god, every time.
Oh,
I'm
really?
so shy, yeah. I think it helps when like I'm with like a friend. But when I'm by myself, I'm like...
I feel like Andy's subconscious even with around people.
Dude, I'm like low-key subconscious with her.
Oh yeah, me too. Oh! You gonna keep these? You should
No,
decorate your walls with them.
What?
Picture frame.
that's crazy.
Oh wait, this one's ugly.
So what she's holding.
Whoa! Funky boy.
He's like half your size. Menace.
Oh, that was a cute one.
Does anyone land for a brick?
Me.
Yes.
You have bread.
Wait.
Wait, what?
He wants bread.
You said anyone has a lamb.
Oh, I thought it said does anyone want land?
I recorded it.
That's crazy.